How to delete a client in Drake software. Open Drake tax software on your computer and wait until the main home screen fully loads. Go to the top menu bar and click on the Tools option to open more settings. Look through the list and select the File Maintenance option from the menu. Wait for the File Maintenance window to appear on the screen. Choose the option that says Delete Client Files in the list. A new window will open where you can manage client file deletion. Type the SSN or EIN of the client you want to remove from the system. You can also search and select the client from the available client list. Check the client information to make sure you selected the correct file. Click Continue to move forward with the deletion process. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to delete the client file. Click Yes to confirm that you want to permanently remove the client data. Wait a moment while the software deletes the client file from the database. Close the window and return to the main screen after the deletion is finished. Thank you for watching.